Did you know that your phone default setting might be sharing your phone number with the scammers? In this video, I will be telling you exactly how you guys can prevent it from happening. So all you have to do is to go to your setting if you have an Android phone and just simply search in Google services. So type in Google services, and once you have searched it up, make sure you open it up. So go to the Google services. There will be a section where it says all services. Just go ahead and click on that. And when you swipe it down, you will see there will be an option which says phone number sharing. So simply go ahead and click on it and make sure you toggle it off. So what it actually does that it allows Google to share your number with third-party application for like login reasons and other reasons to fill up the form and etc. So by toggling it off, you will be preventing Google to share any of your phone number information with the third-party applications. So this is very useful. The other thing is app permissions. So simply go back to the settings, and once you are back in the setting menu, just search in app permission. So once you have searched it up, make sure you go to the permissions of the applications and make sure that there is no contact information shared with any third-party softwares, because sharing your contact information might be sharing your own contacts and your friends contact with third-party application, and that they might be able to use it for like sharing the data or selling the data. The other organization which buy data for research purposes. Where your number can be leaked, over the internet. So make sure that you don't do that, and you don't allow any sort of third party and for third party applications to access your contacts. So this is pretty much it.